talk about introduction. As for introduction, our company name is Lekir One. This is our company logo. We got our company name is from the legendary story of Hang Tuah, of five warrior. One of the five warrior named Lekir. The Lekir is one of the best warrior. He is fast and efficient when in war. Okay, and for next is our organization chart. For our chief executive officer is Ahmad Ramdan Azari bin Abdullah. This is me myself as a chief quality officer. And next is Amirul Naufal bin Azari. He works as chief marketing officer. Next is Fadrul Asraf. He works as chief financial officer. And next is Aiman Haikal. He works as chief operating officer.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Amir Naufal. I will explain about the application of business fund. So our motorized carrier surely need money in order to build and develop the product. So it's important to loan the money from the bank. And below are the cost assumption related to the business fund. So the amount of loan is assumed 250,000 ringgit, since we must consider the ownership cost of the machine. The annuity for loan had been assumed 25,000 a year for 10 years and to be paid 3 years from now. The amount of investment is to be determined with 4% nominal interest compounded twice a year. And this is the cash flow for the business fund. As you can see, the company will start to pay to the bank 3 years from now. The I nominal per year is 8%. So to get the I effective per year, we put into the formula and then we will get 0.083 for the I effective per year. And then we will find the x by using FA and F over A and P over F. So we'll get the x as 31,000 ringgit 265.70 cent, and we round off the value to 31,000 ringgit 266. Thank you.
My name is Aiman Haikal Zardin. My matrix number AD150193, and for my part, I am doing the cost analysis part, where the cost and profit analysis for this project include the fixed cost, variable cost, and operational costs. A manufacturing such as welding and soldering are needed to complete this product. Hence, a workshop needed to be ran, and 5 units is targeted for a week. So, in our project, we targeted the 5 units of the product will be produced in a week. So this is the fixed cost. You could see that the fixed cost content of labor cost, machine and maintenance, operation, ownership, equipment and tools, welding equipment, and the total is 457 ringgit for the total cost of overall fixed cost. So this is the variable cost. You could see that the variable cost, the materials, equipment, and pen and accessories are equipped in the variable cost, and the cost for variable cost is 424 ringgit and 58 cent. So we are going to find the total cost analysis by using the formula TC equal to FC plus VC, where the variable cost and fixed cost is added together, and we got for one product is 881 ringgit and 58 cent. For our break-even analysis, we use that PQ equal to FC plus VQ, where the quantity is 1, and then the total cost per year, we got the 122,100 per year in 300 days working. For the variable cost per year, you got the 110,390 and 80 cent for 260 unit for the overall week in 52 weeks. The profit margin we get the 14,664.70 30 for the profit per year. So the loan determination. As our business, we are going to make a loan. So the determination of loan is making by several scheme that we obtain from Tekun, which is the scheme pinjaman micro, divided into 3, and then 2 scheme pinjaman sederhana, where we have choose the 100 to 250,000, as we know that the total cost for the equipment is up to 150,000. So we have to choose the 250,000 ringgit up to 10 years for the paying period. And then we use the median loan scheme, the scheme pinjaman sederhana, and the amount is 250k with interest rate is 8% and repayment method for 10 years for 120 months, and it estimated that our monthly payment is 2,083 ringgit point 33 cent per month. For the loan installment, we use the formula A to get the annual. P, we have the P for the present, we borrowed 250k for 12 months equal to 1 year for 10 years. And then we got the annual, and then we have to provide the payment for 37,257 ringgit point 37 cent per year for 10 years in order to pay the RM 250,000 ringgit that we borrowed. So the amount of loan that needed to pay in a month is 3,104.78 cent per month.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Ramdan Azrael bin Abdullah. Hari ini saya ingin explain about the cost assumption. Okay, for the cost assumption, we have four type of machine. For the first machine is arc welding machine. Second, stand drilling machine. Third, heavy duty plate bending machine. And the last one, serial manual cut saw machine. Okay, for the first arc welding machine is the price is 50,000. For the salvage value is 6,000 only. And for stand drilling machine, for the price is 1,500. The salvage value is 450 only. For the heavy duty plate bending machine, the price is 60,000 and the salvage value is 7,000 only. For the manual cut saw machine, RM 85,400 and the salvage value is only 1,000. Okay, for the arc welding machine, I will explain the cost. The annual cost is 6,000, maintenance 2,000, and for the install machine, RM 50,000. For the annual cost is 4,000. For the future is 6,000 and the present is negative 50,000. And this is the calculation for the arc welding machine. Okay, we can see this is the calculation to find the PW. Okay, for the stand drilling machine, annual is only 200. Maintenance RM 130 for the maintenance. For the installation is 1,600. Okay, This is the flow. For the future is only 450. The annual from 1 year to 10 year is 200. Okay, this is a calculation for the stand drilling machine to find the PW. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadul Ashraf bin Anwar and my matric number is AD150072. So I would like to present about the third type of machine, which is heavy duty plate bending machine. The annual cost is 3,000, maintenance cost is 1,000, for the installation is 60,000, and for the future is 7,000. So in this calculation, the value for the PW bending machine is RM negative 75,736 ringgit and 50 cents. And for the next type, which is Sierra manual cut saw machine, the annual cost is 9,100. For the maintenance cost is 1,500, and for the installation is 85,400. The future is RM 1,000. So from the calculation, the value of PW for the Sierra manual cut saw machine will get negative RM 140,934 ringgit.
Okay, lastly, as for our conclusion, this project was successful in achieving the main objective. After we finishing this project, we find that things involving business and value of money is quite a difficult task. That it shows that economic and engineering is related to each other. Furthermore, it is required that application of engineering, design and analysis to provide. In this project, we are choosing motorized carrier for heavy duty load as it can is for construction workers to carry heavy load. This machine is very tough because it can withstand a large amount of load. We found that our company have to provide 37,257 and 37 cents per year for 10 years in order to pay for 250,000 amount of loan and 3,104 and 78 cents per month. Lastly, we hope that our product can get into construction machine market in this world. We could implement this basic knowledge of economy engineering to work environment and improve living standard. That's all.